a stunning 4+1 bedroom home situated within Toronto's Rouge neighbourhood. Welcome to 39 Royal Rouge Trail. Lovingly landscaped with magnolia, Japanese maple, and evergreen trees, as well as perennial gardens, the front yard also showcases extensive interlocking with the driveway, the front walkway, and the side walkway leading to the backyard patio area. Through the double front entry doors is a spacious porcelain-tiled foyer and reception area where an oak staircase with wrought iron spindles curves gracefully to the upper level, and the porcelain tiles continue to flow into the kitchen area as well as into the powder and laundry rooms. Oak hardwood floors gleam in the open-themed living and dining rooms. Elegant entertaining spaces decorated with a fresh, neutral color palette. An abundance of natural lighting enhances the airiness of these rooms. A set of French doors between them offers semi-privacy when needed, and both spaces are beautifully finished with crown moldings, which can also be found throughout the foyer area and in the family room. Bright and open, the kitchen has a greenhouse-style breakfast area with a sliding door walkout onto an interlocking patio in the fully fenced backyard. And in addition to the natural lighting, pot, pendant, and flush mount lighting brighten the space. A great working area with light and dark color contrasts, the kitchen additionally showcases a stainless steel double undermount sink, granite counters, a tiled backsplash, lots of cabinetry storage, and appliances. While complementing the storage and utility space is a large wall pantry as well as a built-in computer desk. This level has a wonderful ease of flow throughout, with principal rooms well suited for large-scale gatherings or for more intimate get-togethers, and the family room is no exception. Finished with hardwood flooring, this naturally bright casual entertaining space overlooks the backyard and is centered around a fireplace with floor-to-ceiling stone surround and an accent mirror above its mantel. Completing the main level is a powder room beautifully appointed with a glass pedestal sink and a coordinating mirror, as well as a laundry room with front-load washer and dryer, a porcelain-tiled accent wall, a shower area, access to the garage, and a side door entry for access to the front and backyards. The upper level features 4 graciously sized bedrooms, 2 washrooms, and 2 skylights, one which is above the staircase, as well as quality laminate flooring throughout. The second, third, and fourth bedrooms all have double closets and plenty of natural lighting, and share a 3-piece main washroom finished with a porcelain-tiled floor, a vanity with a marble counter, a skylight, and a porcelain-tiled glass shower with stone floor. The master suite is a luxuriously sized personal space and showcases a separate sitting area with backyard views, while 5 oversized windows and their southwesterly exposure fill the entire room with an abundance of natural light. Off a short hall is the walk-in closet and a makeup vanity with a marble counter. And the hall leads into the lovely spa-like ensuite washroom, which showcases ceramic finishes throughout, toilet and bidet, a soaker tub, as well as a vanity with a marble counter, a porcelain basin, and matching faucet. The lower level landing and its side hallway are finished with granite tiles, and off this area is a two-piece washroom with a pedestal sink and plenty of storage space, including a cold room as well as a pantry area. An ideal theater room, the huge recreation area has gorgeous hardwood flooring and is brightened with pot lighting, and from here is access to a spacious workout room, as well as this home's 5th bedroom, which has hardwood flooring and pot lights and is also ideal as a private home office. The workout room can also be accessed from the lower landing side hallway, and after a long day, this level also has a sauna room for relaxation and stress relief. Immediately north of this neighborhood is Rouge National Urban Park, and this wonderful family home is also just a short walk to the Royal Rouge Tot Lot, Rouge Valley Public School, TTC service, and the villages of Abbey Lane Shopping Plaza, while the Toronto Zoo, the Glen Rouge Campground, the Rouge Hill GO Station, and access to Highway 401 are all short drives away.